Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, I hope you are all fine. So in this video you will get very beautiful, very stylish velvet style, velvet collections, shoes collection, shoes style, shoes design for ladies. This is very beautiful velvet flat shoes for winter season, for fall season. So I request you watch this video completely so that you can get idea. This is ideas video. You can only get idea through this video. If you have any question, if you want to ask something about this video, so you can leave your comments under this video. Very beautiful, very stylish and very trendy ladies velvet shoes, ladies flat shoes collection you will get from this video. Viewers, this video is only for ideas. So get idea through this video that what kind of shoes you have to purchase, you have to buy for your winter season, for your fall season. This is very beautiful, different styles, different kinds of ladies velvet shoes for fall season. I hope you are enjoying this video, so please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. Which one shoe style, which one velvet shoes did you like most from this video? Please tell us, so we will try to upload that videos next time for your choice. I hope you are enjoying this video, so keep enjoying this video, keep visiting my channel on daily basis and keep commenting. For more latest collection you can visit my channel. Very beautiful and very stylish velvet shoes for winter season you will get from this video. This is very beautiful party wear, casual wear ladies shoes collection. If you are new in my channel, so visit my channel at once, because from my channel you will get everything related to fashion and style. This video is only for ideas. So this is very beautiful and very stylish ladies velvet shoes. I hope you are enjoying this video. So viewers, please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up. For more latest collection you can visit my channel, because in my channel you will get everything related to fashion, everything related to style. So like this video, give your thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions, so give your comments below this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. So viewer, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for giving us your precious time. Always take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself, and please subscribe to my channel right now. Allah Hafiz and take care.